Hello! If you're looking for the most reliable service in the best web hosting category, then watch this video to the very end. After looking at over 20 hosting sites, I chose the best one for myself. I have been using this hosting since 2010 and it has never let me down. In this short video, I will show you a few secrets that few people know about that make it truly one of the best in the best web hosting category. Let's not waste time and get started.
Hi people, today I will tell you about a very good and very reliable hosting. Featuring superb hosting packages and website creation tools, one-on-one Ionos' large-scale cloud hosting platform stands above the competition. Let's start. Businesses in search of feature-rich, reasonably priced hosting should take a look at one-on-one Ionos. The web host offers a wide array of enticing packages including shared virtual private server (VPS), WordPress, and dedicated hosting. That said, is the company's cloud hosting plans robust packages that cater to both small businesses and enterprise-class customers that make one-on-one Ionos stand out from the pack as an editor's choice pick in the category. Shared web hosting. Shared hosting is one of the most popular forms of web hosting, due in no small part to its low cost. With shared hosting, your website splits system resources and the associated cost within the many other sites that have also been set up on that same server. Shared hosting isn't very powerful, but it's cheap web hosting. Sometimes that's all you need. One-on-one Ionos offers a standard monthly web hosting charge, but reduces the price if you're willing to sign up for multi-month or annual packages. Unlike GoDaddy, One-on-one Ionos lets you choose a one-month plan with any package tier. GoDaddy requires you to sign up for its pricier Deluxe, Ultimate, or Maximum plans, starting at $7.99, $12.99, and $19.99 respectively, to get a one-month option. GoDaddy's pricing method may not have much, if any, impact on large businesses, but a cash-strapped blogger will appreciate one-on-one Ionos' one-month basic web hosting option. The shared web hosting is available in either the Linux or Windows flavors. The entry-level Essential package, starting at $4 per month, includes a free domain name you can keep as long as you use one-on-one Ionos. The plan also offers 10 GB of storage, 10 email accounts, 10 databases, and the ability to handle roughly 50 visitors per minute on a single site. The next tier is Business, which offers the aforementioned unlimited website, unlimited storage, and 50 email accounts. This tier, which is optimized for 200 visitors per minute, starts at $1 per month. These are temporary prices. Following the first year, Essential jumps to $6 per month, while Business moves up to $10 per month. The Expert plan, starting at $8 per month and jumping to $16 per month after a year, has the same unlimited websites, unlimited storage, and unlimited databases as the Business plan, but with 100 email accounts, enhanced malware protection, and the ability to handle close to 500 visitors per minute. Those are good plans for, say, a mom-and-pop shop that just wants to list its inventory, but HostGator offers superior shared web hosting packages for a wider user range. Not only does HostGator offers Linux and Windows servers, but it has unlimited storage, email, and monthly data transfers at each shared hosting tier. That's impressive. VPS web hosting. VPS hosting is a step up from shared hosting. It's a more powerful hosting option that sees your site leverage more server power. VPS hosting isn't quite cheap hosting, but it isn't overly expensive either. You're less likely to notice slowdown because other sites that share the server get a big hit, something that often happens with shared hosting. One-on-one Ionos' cloud-powered VPS offerings, starting at a wallet-friendly $2 per month for 512 MB of RAM, 10 GB of SSD storage, and unlimited data transfers, give you the essential tools for building a website that can handle the rigors of the internet better than traditional shared web hosting. You can outfit the Linux or Windows-based servers with up to 12 GB of RAM and 240 GB of storage with the company's top tier $35 per month VPS XXL package. One-on-one Ionos has quality VPS web hosting packages, but Hostwinds, the editor's choice for VPS web hosting, tops it by offering unlimited storage and unlimited domain hosting. Hostwinds also offers Minecraft VPS hosting starting at $8 per month. Cloud hosting. Cloud hosting is becoming increasingly common. It differs from traditional hosting in that it spreads resources across multiple servers, whereas traditional hosting pulls power from a single server. One-on-One Ionos has embraced this type of hosting wholeheartedly, offering multiple tiers of managed and unmanaged cloud hosting that can be outfitted with the Linux or Windows operating systems. The plans start at $0.0069 per hour, with a maximum $5 per month charge for a single-core CPU, 512MB of RAM, 30GB of SSD storage, and unlimited monthly transfers. The offerings max out at $0.50 per hour for 24-core CPU, 48GB of RAM, 480GB of SSD storage, and unlimited monthly data transfers. There are managed and unmanaged options as well as customizable plans. Simply put, One-on-One Ionos' cloud hosting packages are excellent, so much so that we originally deemed One-on-One Ionos a co-editor's choice for cloud hosting, and the prices on the low end have only dropped since then. Here's the breakdown. If you want enterprise-class cloud hosting, One-on-One Ionos is the way to go. DreamHost, on the other hand, is the co-editor's choice for smaller scale sites that need a less demanding cloud hosting service. Dedicated web hosting. When it comes to non-cloud hosting, you won't find anything more powerful than dedicated hosting. This hosting type lets your site leverage a server's full power as it exists on the server all by itself. No system resource sharing here. Serious mission-critical site runners should consider dedicated hosting as soon as they can afford it. One-on-One Ionos has 4 Linux-based, Windows as a hidden option, dedicated hosting tiers: A8i, L16, XL32, and XL64. The plans come with either traditional hard disk drives, HDDs, or solid-state drives, SSDs, that alter the price a bit. For example, the SSD-based A8i plan starts at $45 per month, raising to $65 per month after a year. For a 2.4 GHz Intel Atom C2750 CPU, 8GB of RAM, 240GB of storage, and unlimited monthly data transfers. The HDD-based equivalent starts at $70 per month and has a 1000GB HDD. The most expensive plan, 4XL 192 NVMe, $320 per month, comes with a 20-core Intel Xeon Gold 6210U CPU, 192GB of RAM, 1000GB SSD, and unlimited monthly data transfers. All of One-on-One Ionos dedicated hosting plans include SiteLock malware protection and the Railgun Content Delivery Network (CDN) for faster page loads. Compare these plans with those of AccuWeb, which has 5 excellent tiers of configurable Linux or Windows-powered dedicated hosting servers. The most affordable is the $116 per month plan that includes 8GB of RAM, 1TB of storage, and 20TB of monthly data transfers. The top-tiered plan, which starts at $239 per month, boasts a baseline 128GB of RAM, 8TB of storage, and unlimited monthly data transfers. As with the VPS plan, AccuWeb's Windows-based dedicated hosting plan lets you create up to 250 email accounts. With a Linux-based dedicated plan, you can create unlimited email accounts. Regardless of the plan you start with, you can outfit AccuWeb's dedicated servers with up to 512GB of memory, 12TB of storage, and 50TB of monthly data transfers. As a result, AccuWeb Hosting's dedicated hosting plans reign as the category champ. WordPress web hosting. WordPress is the world's most popular content management system, one that has enough flexibility to power a blog or a Fortune 500 company's website. There are 2 ways to get WordPress up and running on a One-on-One Ionos server. You can install WordPress on a standard server, or you can sign up for managed WordPress. One-on-One Ionos has 3 Linux-based WordPress packages. Essential, $3 for the first year, then $4 per month. Business, $1 per month for the first year, then $8 per month. And Pro, $8 per month for the first year, then $16 per month. The plans are the managed variety, so One-on-One Ionos gives it the white glove treatment in regards to handling backend matters. Essential offers 25GB of SSD storage, 10 email accounts, the ability to host a single domain, and 1 free URL. Business toasts in 100GB of SSD storage and 100 email accounts. Unlimited, the most feature-packed of the 3 options. Boasts unlimited SSD storage, unlimited email accounts, and unlimited WordPress projects. All the plans have automatic malware detection and removal, automatic WordPress updates, and wildcard secure socket layer SSL certificate, and a curated list of recommended WordPress themes. That's a solid offering, but A2 takes the crown as the PC Mag editor's choice for WordPress hosting. Available in standard and managed varieties, A2's top-tier unlimited plan, starting at $36.98 per month, offers unlimited site hosting, email, and monthly data transfers. It also comes with a free SSL certificate. Reseller web hosting. If you're looking to get into the web hosting business but don't want to deal with the infrastructure matters, reseller hosting is the way to go. Unfortunately, 101 lacks reseller plans, so you must look elsewhere for that type of hosting. PC Mag recommends HostWinds, the editor's choice for reseller hosting. HostWinds plans starting at $3.29 per month have unlimited email, storage, and data transfers. On offer are dedicated and VPS packages of both the Linux and Windows variety, as well as shared hosting, which is limited to Linux. The servers have the same RAM and storage amounts as those that HostWinds supplies directly, which is not always the case. HostWinds also lets you apply your own branding to the servers you rent, and it supplies 24/7 tech support too. Setting up shop. A 101 subscription grants access to 101 Ionos My Website, which leverages the excellent Duda website builder. Thus, it uses a more standard layout with the main toolbar on the left side rail, rather than the previous version's right side rail. Email marketing is an important business tool, so it's not surprised that 101 Ionos offers a dedicated 101 Ionos email marketing packages. These tools gives you an overview of your email traffic, address management, distribution information, and more, starting at $17 per month. If you want to sell products, the 101 Ionos e-commerce builder, starting at $25 per month, lets you pick one of several layouts and designs. There's a lot of dragging and dropping and adding prefab elements, but there wasn't much we could manually tweak in our testing. 101 Ionos prompts you to optionally enter your sales tax ID and whether you want to display items with or without the sales tax included in the price. You can add products, list delivery methods, and accept payment types and more. There's also a customer database for keeping track of your customers. 101 Ionos also has dozens of apps that can be used to improve your website, including Amazon Deals, Square Point of Sale, and Price Grabber, though many are only available on the top-tier online store Expert $75 per month plan. Security features. 101 Ionos includes a GeoTrust dedicated SSL certificate, encrypted website security that protects data exchanges between users and your site, free of charge with its server, developer shared hosting, and developer eShop packages. If you don't have one of these plans, you can purchase a GeoTrust dedicated SSL certificate starting at $20 per year, with a full GeoTrust True Business ID extended validation SSL certificate costing a whopping $200 per year. A free SSL wildcard and site scan from SiteLock are free features offered by 101 Ionos to protect your website from hackers, malware, and unauthorized access. If you opt to display the SiteLock Trust seal on your website, your visitors will see real-time verification that the site is secure. Excellent uptime. Website uptime is a vital element of web hosting. If your site goes down, clients or customers will be unable to find you or access your products or services. It's in your best interest to find a reliable web host that can keep your site up and running. Otherwise, customers may go elsewhere and they might never come back. To evaluate reliability, we use a website monitoring tool to track my test site's uptime over a 2-week period. Every 15 minutes, the tool pings the test website and sends us an email if it is unable to contact the site for at least 1 minute. The data reveals that 101 Ionos was incredibly stable during our testing. In fact, it didn't go down once. As a result, you can count on 101 Ionos to be a rock-solid foundation for your website. Solid customer service. If you have any problems with your hosting plan or simply have a hosting related question, you can rest easy knowing that 101 Ionos has 24/7 email, web chat, and telephone support. How a company's customer service department responds to your complaint or query is vital, so we tested 101 Ionos' metal by placing a call on a weekday morning and evening. We wanted to know the difference, if any, between 101 Ionos' standard web hosting and its WordPress hosting offering. About 1 minute later, a one-on-one Ionos support person fielded our call. The rep correctly stated that the WordPress hosting lets one-on-one Ionos automatically update WordPress and any installed plugins, something that users would otherwise manually handle with one-on-one standard offering. Unfortunately, you can only access the support through a phone call or by signing into an Ionos user account. Many competing services have open online support options, either through email or online chat. One-on-one Ionos also has a personal consultant service, which is available to anyone who's signed up for hosting. The free service connects you to an agent who offers hosting tips and advice. For example, we learned how to use One-on-one Ionos' web building software. You can also use the service to learn how to grow your audience by having your business appear on Google Maps. It's a handy service that more companies should duplicate. The personal consultant is available via web chat, email, or telephone. One-on-one Ionos offers a feature-packed hosting, particularly in the cloud hosting department, plus excellent uptime, solid customer service options, and a useful website builder.